Good morning students. Welcome to today's class. So we have been discussing about chapter 16 measurement in that exercise 16a. Now third question, express in kilometer, hectometer, decameter and meter. Okay, so question is given in kilometer. You have to express that in kilometer, hectometer, decameter and meter. Okay, so as we did for meter, what number is coming before decimal point? That is kilometer. Okay. Now after decimal point, 10th place. This is hectometer. 100th place it is decameter. 1000th place it is meter. So 2.355 kilometer. You can write it as 2 kilometer. 3 hectometer, 5 decameter, 5 meter. Okay, before decimal point what number is coming? That will be kilometer. Okay, so 2 kilometer, 10th place it is 3, so 3 hectometer, 100th place it is 5, so 5 decameter, 1000th place is 5, so 5 meter. Okay. Next B, 8.162 kilometer. So how can you write 8 kilometer, 1 hectometer, 6 decameter, 2 meter. Okay. Next C, 30.750 kilometer. So here before decimal point 30 is coming, so it is 30 kilometer. Now after decimal point 10th place 7. So 7 hectometer. Next 5. 5 is coming in 100th place. So 5 decameter. Now 0 is coming in meters place. So no need to write. 0 meter no need to write. Okay, 30 kilometer, 7 hectometer, 5 decameter. This is the answer. Okay. Next D. 35.250 kilometer. So how can you write? Before decimal point 35 is coming. So 35 kilometer. Now after decimal point in 10th place it is 2. So 2 hectometer. 100th place it is 5. So 5 decameter. Okay. Next in that F. 7.075 kilometer. So before decimal point 7 kilometer. After decimal point in the 10th place it is 0. So 0 hectometer it is. No need to write that. Okay. Next in 100th place it is 7. So 7 decameter. In 1000th place it is 5. So 5 meter. Okay, 7 kilometer, 7 decameter, 5 meter. In that G, 1.005 kilometer. So before decimal point it is 1. So 1 kilometer. Now 10th place it is 0. So it is 0 hectometer. Okay, no need to write that. In the 100th place also 0. 0 decameter it will be. Okay, that also no need to write. Next in 1000th place 5 is coming. It is 5 meter. Okay, so 1 kilometer, 5 meter. This will be the answer. Fourth question, using decimal notation express in kilometer. So opposite case of first question. Okay. Question is given in kilometer, hectometer, decameter and meter. You have to express in decimal notation. So, how can you write 1 kilometer, 1 hectometer, 2 decameter, 9 meter it is. Before decimal point 1 kilometer will come. So, 1 point. Okay. Next 10th place it is hectometer, 1 hectometer. So, 1. 1.1. Now, in 100th place, decameter will come. So, it is 2 decameter in the question. So, 2. Now in 1000th place, meter will come 9 meter in the question. So 9. Okay, 1.129 unit will be kilometer. Okay, 1.129 kilometer. This will be the decimal notation of 1 kilometer, 1 hectometer, 2 decameter, meter. Okay, always remember, before decimal point it is kilometer, after decimal point 10th place it is hectometer, 100th place it is decameter, 1000th place it is meter. Next B, 7 kilometer, 8 hectometer, 2 decameter, 2 meter. So decimal notation it will be 7.822 kilometer. Okay, kilometer in before decimal kilometer will come. So 7.10th place it will be hectometer. So 8. 100th place it is decameter. So 2. 1000th place it is meter. So 2. 7.822 kilometer it will be. Okay. Next C, 50 kilometer, 8 decameter, 7 meter. So before decimal point it is kilometer. 50 will come. Okay, 50 point. Now in hectometer, it is nothing is given in the question. Okay, it is 0 hectometer. So in the 10th place you can put 0. Hectometer it is not given. So 10th place you have to put 0. 0 will come in the, hectometer will come in the 10th place. It is not given, so you can put 0 there. Now 100th place it is decameter, 8 decameter. So 100th place it will be 8. Okay, 1000th place it is meter. In the question 7 meter is given. So 1000th place it will be 7. 50.087 kilometer. This will be the answer. Okay. D, 24 kilometer, 5 hectometer, 6 meter. So kilometer is given. So before decimal point it will be 24. Okay. Now next place, 10th place is hectometer. In the question it is given 5 hectometer. So 10th place you can write a 5. After hectometer it is decameter, but in the question it is not given. So in the decameter place or in 100th place you can put 0. Next meter, 1000th place it will be meter. 6 meter is given in the question. So in 1000th place you can write 6. 24.506 kilometer. This will be the answer. Okay. Next E, 6 hectometer, 5 meter. Okay. Now here kilometer it is not given in the question. So put 0 in kilometers place. That is before decimal point it will be 0. Next it is hectometer. It is given 6 hectometer. So write 6 in 10th place. After hectometer it is decameter. It is not given. So put 0 in decameters place. Okay. After decameter it is meter, 5 meter. In the question it is given. So put 5 in meters place. Okay. So 0.605 kilogram it will be. Okay. Next, fifth question. Express in kilogram, hectogram, decagram and gram. Okay. A, 3.127 kilogram. So here the number that is coming before decimal point, that is kilogram. Okay, that much kilogram you can write. Okay, so here before decimal point 3 is coming, so it is 3 kilogram. Now after decimal point 10th place. Okay, this 10th place is hectogram. Okay, so here in 10th place 1 is coming, so 1 hectogram you can write. Okay, then next 100th place it is decagram. In 100th place 2 is coming, so you can write 2 decagram. Okay, now thousandth place it is gram. Okay, so 7 is coming in thousandth place, so you can write 7 gram. So 3.127 kilogram. In kilogram, hectogram, decagram and gram, if you are expressing means, it will be 3 kilogram, 1 hectogram, 2 decagram and 7 gram. Okay, next B, 16.485 kilogram. Now the number that is coming before decimal point, here it is 16. So that is kilogram. Okay, 16 kilogram you can write. The number that is coming before decimal point, it is kilogram. So 16 kilogram. Now after decimal point, 10th place. In 10th place it is 4. So it is 4 hectogram. Next 100th place it is 8. So 8 decagram. Okay, 100th place, that much decagram you can write. Next 1000th place it is 5. So 5 gram. Okay, next C, 0.758 kilogram. So here the number that is coming before decimal point, it is 0. So 0 kilogram it is. Okay, no need to write that. 0 kilogram, no need to write. Next after decimal point, 10th place it is hectogram. Okay, so 10th place digit it is 7. So 7 hectogram you can write. Okay, now 100th place it is 5. So 5 decagram. Okay, now 1000th place it is 8. So 8 gram. Okay. Next D, 0.48 kilogram. So here before decimal point 0 is coming. So it is 0 kilogram. Okay, no need to write that. Now after decimal point, 10th place it is 4. Now 10th place it is hectogram. So 4 hectogram you can write. Okay, now 100th place it is decagram and digit. In 100th place it is 8. So you can write 8 decagram. Okay, so 0.48 kilogram means 4 hectogram and 8 decagram. That much only. Okay. In that H, 0.008 kilogram. So here number that is coming before decimal point, it is 0. So it is 0 kilogram. Okay. Next 10th place. After decimal point, 10th place it is hectogram. That is also digit coming in 10th place it is 0. So 0 hectogram it is. No need to write that. Okay. Then decagram. Next place it is decagram. That is also 0. 0 decagram. After that it is gram. But here 8 is coming in that place. 1000th place 8 is coming. So it is 8 gram. This will be the answer. Okay, 0.008 kilogram means it is 8 gram. Next is 6th question. Using the decimal notation, express in kilogram. In that A, 2 kilogram, 2 hectogram, 7 decagram, 2 gram. So the question is given in kilogram, hectogram, decagram and gram. You have to express this in kilogram. Okay, opposite of the previous question. So here 2 kilogram. Where you will write a kilogram? Before decimal point. Okay, so 2 point. Now hectogram you have to write in 10th place. Okay, so 2 will come in 10th place. Decagram you have to write in 100th place. Gram you have to write in 1000th place. So how you will write 2.272 kilogram. This will be the answer. Okay. Next in that B, 5 kilogram, 5 hectogram, 1 decagram, 5 gram. So how can you write this? Kilogram will come before decimal point. So 5 point. Now hectogram will come in 10th place. So in 10th place you can write 5. Now 1 decagram. This will come in 100th place. So in 100th place you can write 1. Now 5 gram. This will come in 1000th place. So in 1000th place it is 5. 5.515 kilogram will be the answer. Okay. Next C, 7 kilogram, 2 decagram, 7 gram. Now here kilogram, it is 7 kilogram will come before decimal point. Okay, so 7 point. Now in 10th place it is hectogram, but in the question it is not given, so you have to put 0 there. Okay, in the 10th place hectogram will come, but in the question hectogram is not given, so you have to put 0 there. Now next 100th place it is decagram. Now here question, in the question it is 2 decagram. So 100th place digit will be 2. Okay, now next 7 gram. This will come in 1000th place. So here 1000th place it will be 7. 7.027 kilogram. This will be the answer. Okay. Now next D, 5 hectogram, 3 gram. You have to write in kilogram, express in kilogram. Here kilogram, it is not given, so you can put before decimal point, it will be 0. Next hectogram is coming, 10th place it is hectogram, 5 hectogram in the question, so 10th place it will be 5. Okay, after that, after hectogram it is decagram, but it is not given, so put 0 in 100th place. Okay, after that gram will come, 3 gram in the question, so that 3 you can write in 1000th place, 0.503 kilogram. This will be the answer. Okay, next 7th question, express in gram, decigram, centigram, milligram. In that A, 3.164 gram. So the question is given in gram, you have to express this in gram, decigram, centigram and milligram. Okay, so when a decimal fraction is given with the unit gram, means here before decimal point it is gram. Okay, what number is before decimal point, what number is coming, that much gram will be there. Now after decimal point, 10th place, that much decigram will be there. Okay, 10th place it is decigram. Now 100th place it is centigram. Okay, 1000th place it is milligram. That is the order. Okay, gram, decigram, centigram, milligram. So you can write 3.164 gram is 3 gram, 1 decigram, 6 centigram, 4 milligram. Okay, so this is the answer. Next B, 5.750 gram. So this is gram. Next after decimal point it is decigram. Then 100th place it is centigram. 1000th place it is milligram. So 5 gram, 7 decigram, 5 centigram, 0 milligram, no need to write. Okay, so this will be the answer. In that C, 0.5 gram. So here before decimal point it is gram. Before decimal point 0 is coming, so 0 gram it is. No need to write that. Okay, after decimal point in the 10th place it is decigram. So 5 is coming in 10th place, so you can write 5 decigram. Okay, now no digit is coming in 1000, 100,000 or place, so 5 decigram is the answer. Okay, next D, 0.185 gram. So number that is coming before decimal point it is gram, and after decimal point 10th place it is decigram, 100th place it is centigram, 1000th place it is milligram. So here 0 gram, no need to write that. Next 1 decigram, 8 centigram, 5 milligram. This will be the answer. Okay, next in that H, last one, 0.008 gram. So here before decimal point 0 is coming. 10th place, 100th place is also 0. So this is gram, 0 gram. Okay. Similarly 0 decigram, 0 centigram. But at 1000th place, that is milligrams place, it is 8. So you can write 8 milligram. Okay, before decimal point it is gram, 10th place it is decigram, 100th place it is centigram, 1000th place it is milligram. So here in before decimal point, now 10th place, 100th place it is 0. So no need to write that. Now milligrams place it is 8. So 8 milligram will be the answer. Okay. 8th question, using decimal notation express in grams. In that A 6 gram, 7 decigram, 2 milligram. Okay. So question is given in gram, decigram, centigram and milligram. You have to express this in grams. That is in decimal notation you have to write the answer. Okay. So you know in a decimal fraction the number that is coming before decimal point it is gram. Okay, so you can write 6 point. Before decimal point it is gram. So 6 point you can write. Here 6 gram is given. Next 10th place it is decigram. In the question 7 decigram is given. So 10th place digit will be 7. Next it is centigram. But in the question centigram is not given. So you can put 0 there. Okay. After that 1000th place it is milligram. In the question 2 milligram is given. So you can write 2 in 1000th place. 6.702 gram. This is the decimal notation of 6 gram, 7 decigram, 2 milligram. Okay. Next B, 2 gram, 2 decigram, 7 centigram, 1 milligram. So how can you write this? Gram will come before decimal point. So 2 point you can write. Okay. In 10th place decigram will come. So 2 in 10th place. 100th place centigram will come. So 7 in 100th place. 1000th place it is milligram. So 1 in milligrams place. Okay, or 1000th place. So 2.271 gram. This is the decimal notation of 2 gram, 2 decigram, 7 centigram, 1 milligram. Okay. Next is C. 5 decigram, 7 centigram, 2 milligram. So before decimal point, it is gram. But here in the question gram is not given. So you can put 0 before decimal point. Okay. Next 10th place it is decigram. In the question 5 decigram is given. So 10th place digit will be 5. Okay. Now 100th place it is centigram. In the question 7 centigram is given. So 100th place digit will be 7. Now 1000th place it is milligram. In the question 2 milligram is given. So 1000th place digit will be 2. Okay, 0.572 gram. This will be the answer. Okay, next D. 6 centigram, 6 milligram. Now how can you write this in decimal notation? Here gram is not given. So before decimal point it will be 0. Next 10th place it is decigram. That is also not given in the question. So 10th place will be 0. 10th place digit will be 0. Now 100th place digit. It is centigram will come in 100th place. So 6 centigram in the question. 100th place digit will be 6. Okay, centigram will come in 100th place. In the question 6 centigram is given. So in 100th place 6 will come. Okay. Then 1000th place it is milligram. So 6 milligram is given in the question. So 6 will come in thousandth place. Okay, so 0.066 gram. This is the decimal notation of 6 centigram, 6 milligram. Okay. Next E, 7 milligram. So here milligram is only given. So in the grams place, decigrams place, centigrams place, you have to put 0. Okay. So gram will come before decimal point. So 0 point. After that decigram. So that is also 0. After that centigram. That is also 0. Now 7 milligram is given. That will come in thousandth place. So thousandth place digit, it will be 7. 0.007 gram is the decimal notation of 7 milligram. Okay, next G, 8 centigram. So here gram is not given, decigram is not given, centigram is given and a milligram is not given. Okay, so gram, at that place, at grams place you can put 0. So 0 point, before decimal point gram will come. So 0 you can put in grams place. Decigrams place is also 0. So 10th place you can put 0. After that it is centigram. 8 centigram is given in the question. So 100th place digit, it will be 8. Okay. Now milligram, no need to put 0 here because that 0. Zeros on the right side of decimal fraction has no value. After decimal point, zeros at the end has no values. Okay, so you can write 0.08 gram. Next, 9th question, express in liter, deciliter, centiliter and milliliter. In that A, 6.452 liter. So if a decimal fraction is given in liter, the number that is coming before decimal point, it is liter. Okay. The number that is coming before decimal point, that much liter will be there. Now, after decimal point, 10th place, that is deciliter. Okay. 100th place is centiliter. 1000th place is milliliter. Okay. So in a decimal fraction, the number that is coming before decimal point is liter. 10th place it is deciliter. 100th place is centiliter. 1000th place is milliliter. Okay, so 6.452 liter, if you are writing in liter, deciliter, centiliter and milliliter, how can you write? 6 liter, 4 deciliter, 5 centiliter, 2 milliliter you can write. Okay, this is liters. Before decimal point it is liter. After decimal point, 10th place deciliter, 100th place centiliter, 1000th place milliliter. So you can write 6 liter, 4 deciliter, 5 centiliter, 2 milliliter. Next to B, 8.616 liter. So how can you write this? 8 liter. This is liter. Before decimal point it is liter. 10th place it is deciliter. So 6 deciliter. Now 100th place it is centiliter. So 1 centiliter. 1000th place it is milliliter. So 6 milliliter. This will be the answer. Okay. Next is C, 0.5 liter. So before decimal point it is liter. 10th place it is deciliter. Okay. So 0 liter here, no need to write that. Now 10th place it is 5. So 5 deciliter. Okay. Now 100th place and 1000th place it is not given. So 5 deciliter. This will be the answer. Okay. Next D, 0.25 liter. So you know before decimal point it is liter, 10th place it is deciliter, 100th place it is centiliter. Okay, so before decimal point 0 is coming. So 0 liter it is. No need to write that. Okay, 0 liter, no need to write. After that, 10th place it is 2. So you can write 2 deciliter. Okay. Now 100th place it is 5. So you can write 5 centiliter. Okay, this is liter, deciliter, centiliter. Okay, so 2 deciliter, 5 centiliter. This will be the answer. Now exercise 16A, remaining problems of questions 3 to 9 do as homework. So this much for this class. Thank you.